The era of tri-folding smartphones has quietly been taking shape over the last couple of years, with companies like Huawei already putting early models into the wild. However, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Tri-Fold is the one many people have been waiting for, as the device that could push this form factor from niche experiment into something with real mainstream attention. What makes the story even more interesting is that Samsung's first tri-folding phone may not cost as much as everyone initially feared. For the longest time, the expectation hovered around a $3,000 price tag, which honestly seemed reasonable for a device that folds twice, expands into a tablet-sized 10-inch display, and still folds down to something about the size of a closed Galaxy Z Fold 7. But newer reports, including pricing details from Samsung's own region, point toward a far more grounded figure. In South Korea, the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold is expected to come in at 3.6 million won, which works out to about $2,446. That lines up with the wider rumor of a roughly $2,500 international price, trimming about $500 off early projections. To put those numbers into perspective, Huawei's Mate X-T launched at around $2,800, so Samsung is clearly trying to position the Tri-Fold as the more aggressive option. Even against Apple's first foldable iPhone, rumored to cost about $2,400, Samsung's pricing doesn't feel out of place, especially since the Tri-Fold literally folds twice, creating a much larger workspace and far more mechanical complexity. That complexity, however, is exactly why I'm a little skeptical about the new price leak. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 typically starts at around $2,000 and sometimes dips below that during big sales, so it's fair to question whether Samsung can truly add another folding section, more display layers, a redesigned hinge, and reinforced structural components for just a few $100s more. In addition, Samsung is also taking a very controlled approach to how the device is sold. The Galaxy Z Tri-Fold will arrive as a Samsung Unlocked exclusive and offered in one configuration and one color. Demo units will be available in official stores on December 1st or 2nd, but only to those who reserve ahead of time, while deliveries are scheduled for December 5. The biggest limitation, though, is availability. Current reports suggest the Tri-Fold will debut only in select regions like South Korea, China, Singapore, the UAE, and the United States, leaving Europe out of the initial release. Anyone determined to own one can still import it, as long as they're comfortable with the extra shipping costs. In terms of specs, the Z Tri-Fold features a 10-inch internal display that reaches 1,600 nits of peak brightness, paired with a 6.5-inch outer screen hitting 2,600 nits. The main camera is expected to use a 200-megapixel sensor, and the rated 5,437 mAh battery is impressive considering the constraints of a 3-panel design. And one curious detail is that the 3 panels aren't perfectly identical in thickness, coming in at 3.9 mm, 4 mm, and 4.2 mm respectively. With that said, I'm keeping a close eye on this device and will report here once I find any new information, so consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.